Hey there, Merry Christmas. This is your 2-minute tip this week. Wanted to say if you are in the process right now of looking at businesses, do not take your foot off the gas pedal. I know you're going to need a little bit of time just around those holidays, but there are a couple different incentives right now with a couple banks that are doing SBA 7A loans. That's 150,000 or less. Funding, it has loosened a touch, actually a big touch. So what used to be 20% down, 50,000 post closing, there's a few banks out there that we work with that are saying 25,000 in liquidity with a good credit score can actually get you into that small business $150,000 or less. Guys, this is opening up the floodgates for a lot of people that were a little tight on cash that are going to have this opportunity. Unfortunately, in the world of banking, as you know, it changes all of the time. So some of these incentives come and go. So I would say if you're interested, especially in those 150,000 or less, let's reconnect. Let's work together. If this 2-minute tip says, okay, wait a second, that's something I might want to take advantage of, reach out. So I can get you in front of the banks. We can find a business and you can kind of work in two lanes at the same time. So it's not happening with all of them. It's just a couple of the SBA banks have done that incentive. And so let's work together. So 2-minute tip this week, don't take your foot off the gas right now. It's actually a great time to be looking at businesses. I would love to concierge your approach. Let's work together and get going. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. We'll see you next week.